Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Unity Hub, a matching editor with the WebGL module, and an active project. Once done, open Build Settings and switch to WebGL to begin conversion. This is the first actionable step because Unity compiles differently for WebGL. Make sure player settings match target memory and compression. Adjust resolution and API compatibility. You do this now to avoid later rebuilds and to ensure exported code fits browser constraints and available RAM. Now focus on the complex middle steps. Optimize assets and build settings so the WebGL build runs in browsers. You should reduce texture sizes, enable engine code stripping, and switch to IL2 CPP if available to shrink output. This reduces load time and memory. Next, select Brotli or gzip compression and configure server decompression headers. Once profiling identifies bottlenecks, run a development build to gather profiler data. Iterate on fixes, and then produce a release build for final deployment. Finish by exporting the WebGL build folder and deploying to an HTTPS-enabled server that serves correct MIME types for WASM and compressed files. You should test across major browsers, monitor memory, and measure load times to confirm performance. Once deployed, verify caching headers and service worker behavior if used. If the build fails or crashes, enable a development build and inspect the browser console and stack traces. This reveals missing files, compression misconfiguration, or memory allocation errors, so you can fix the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.